Hello, my Lions group. Okay, it's time to go over what you are going to be doing today in centers. Remember your centers expectations. When you are in the hallway, you are not talking in a loud voice. You're in a calm whisper voice. You do not get to walk around the hallway. If you need help, you may come in and ask me quickly what you need, okay? But the goal is that you're independently working. All right, so today, the first thing you're gonna do is listen to the Lion video, lesson 9. When you're all done listening to your teacher and your second grade lesson, you're going to go on to your number 2. Now today for number 2, you're going to get out your number 2 folder. Inside the number 2 folder is this book. Do fish eat cheese? So you are going to read this book today. You can talk to your partner and read the book together, or you can read it independently by yourself. After reading this book, I want you to think about or talk to your partner about who the character was and what they were doing in this story. Once you're done reading, put the book back in the folder, close it, and put your folder in the bin. Then move on to number 3. As you can see on your schedule, I circled writing page. You're going to go into the red number 3 folder, and you have a silly writing page again like you did last week. So go ahead and finish that sheet. Remember that you have to circle a character, a setting, and the plot point, so what the character is doing to make this a fun, silly story. And good writers add their own details to the story. So try to write 2 or 3 sentences about the character you picked. And then put your red folder back in the yellow bin. After everybody is done with number 3, it's time to clean up the bin. Make sure all the papers are in the right folder. I don't want the papers in the yellow bin. Make sure the papers are in the folder. Pencils and crayons are put away in here. Once you're cleaned up, you can go on iReady Reading for 20 minutes. And if you get 100%, come into the classroom, ring the bell, and put a puff in. After you've finished 20 minutes of iReady Reading, it's time for your choice. So you can go on Lililo or Epic. It's up to you. Please remember again to be responsible in the hallway. I don't want to bring you guys back into the classroom and just make you sit heads down. But if you're not being responsible, there is going to be that consequence. I know you're going to make me proud. I know AP Caldwell is going to walk by you in the hallway and then say, Miss Mula, who are these students working so independently, so calmly, so great? Are they earning their 5 champ points? I know she's going to be proud of you if she sees you in the hallway working, and I'm going to be proud of you too if you're staying in your spot, not walking around the hallway, calmly, quietly talking and completing your work. All right, you guys are going to do great. I can't wait to give you your 5 champ points.